Here's how you can publish your Replit app on the Google Play Store step by step. First, open the app you want to publish. Here is a sample app just for reference so you can follow along easily. You'll notice there is an option to start publishing to an app store, but it's not directly for Google Play or the App Store. So here's what you need to do instead. Go ahead and click the share button located on the top right. Copy your app's public link because this is what we're going to use to convert it into a mobile app. Next, go to median.com. This is a platform that helps turn web apps into mobile apps. Once you're there, create an account, and after signing in, just paste the link of your Replit app. Then set your app name, configure the basic details, and click Start Building My App. It's going to take some time to load and process, so just wait for it to finish building. Once your app is converted, scroll down and look for the download section. You'll see options to download the app file, usually as an APK or AAB file. After downloading, the next step is to get a Google Play console account. Just search for it on Google and create an account. During setup, you'll be asked what type of organization you are, and as of today, there is a one time fee of $25 to register. Once your account is ready, you can upload your app file, fill in your app details, and submit it for review on the Google Play Store. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.